this is actually amazing, folks. This is fantastic. Look at this water coming over the dam. This is Gore Dam. And I think there might actually be a, we've got a salmon ladder up here, I think. So we're going to have a look. Okay, folks, I think this is a salmon ladder here. Yeah, definitely, man. Salmon leap up all through this and into the rock. Excellent. Right, we're coming up towards the overflow here now, and you can see where the road is actually being eroded, folks, with the spray of the water. Satan. And look, the road actually. Should try down the bottom path, bro. Folks, we are on top of the dam here. Now look at this. Fantastic, man. It really is. I love dams. Dams are one of my favourite things of all time, I must admit. Wonderful. Just a lot of water, man. Wow. Excellent. And there we are, folks. Absolutely fantastic. My goodness me, I do love dams, and this one is one of my favourite ones, I must admit. So there we go.
Is that where we were farther than that, weren't we? Where? That White House, that's not.
No, that's no.
That's actually find us on the banks here of Loch Tummel now, where behind us there you can see the peak of Schiehallion. There it is, look, right in the distance. We've also got this this keep in the middle, and we've got some ducks. It's a great action shot. This really is fantastic. Here we go. And I'm going to take the lens off now so you can actually see what it's like without the lens. Holy moly, there I'm on a big close-up. Look at that. Crikey.
I should know the name of it. What's the big monument down by Stirling Castle?
Oh,
William Wallace.
Yeah, I can't say the
Wallace.
Yes,
the Wallace Monument.
That's it.
He was flying right up next to that thing. People were waving at the drone. I'm thinking, you know, in the States, you probably have a problem with that.
Yep.
Because.
Right, here we are, folks, then on probably our final stop of today's...
Got a waterfall stop yet.
Oh, we've got a waterfall stop, yeah. Have we got a waterfall stop? Where's that then?
Just up in the town.
Oh, okay, right. Well, we've still got a couple of things to look at there, folks. So, there we go. Right, folks, actually in the little sleepy village of Kinlochranach, where at the very back they've got this massive... Ooh. Whoa! Hey! Oh, for goodness sake, bro, what's going on? Oh, he's just having a bad day of it there, bro, today. It's just... where behind they've got this, was I saying? Yes, they've got this big waterfall at the back of the village here, man.